Hi, this is 361 Corpus Christi, Texas, and I'm scanning the weather frequencies right now before I go to bed because I got family over in Hurricane Tammy. So I was listening to that and I found something weird on wx4. So if you see on wx1,
to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon.
it's just the transmission.
Sunday night,
If you
mostly
go
cloudy.
to 4,
2, 3, 4.
Coming choppy in the afternoon. A chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers and
beeping.
thunderstorms in the afternoon.
there's a beeping behind the transmission.
Winds 15 to 20 knots. Bay waters choppy. Tuesday, southeast winds around 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy to choppy. A chance of showers. Tuesday night, southeast winds around 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy to choppy. A chance of showers after midnight.